Tesla Supercharging is getting yet another layer of gamification, as the company is rolling out a new competition that could win free supercharging miles. Tesla is ramping up its efforts to make vehicle ownership more engaging through gamification. In June 2026, the company announced the 2026 free supercharging competition, building on the charging passport feature introduced the previous year. This initiative turns supercharging into a competitive, collectible adventure, while offering substantial real-world incentives. Tesla is taking its gamification of supercharging a step further with the launch of the 2026 free supercharging contest. The charging passport, rolled out late last year, functions like a digital travel log or a year in review for Tesla owners. These types of things are used by many platforms, including Spotify and Apple Music, which show listeners what type of taste they had for the year. Accessed in the Tesla app under the charging section, it displays a map of visited superchargers, key stats such as total energy charged, kWh, number of unique sites, total charging sessions, top charging day, and miles added. Owners earn collectible charging badges in categories, which include charging milestones for total energy, consecutive weeks of supercharging, or unique sites visited. Iconic chargers for flagship locations or stations near famous landmarks. Special events, limited time badges for specific experiences. These badges appear within 24 hours of qualifying activity and provide a fun, shareable recap of an owner's supercharging journeys. Milestone progress resets annually, allowing fresh challenges each year. The 2026 contest elevates this gamification by rewarding top performers with lifetime free supercharging. All supercharging sessions from January 1st to December 31st, 2026 count toward the competition. To participate, owners must enable Share Charging Data with Tesla app in vehicle settings and open the 2026 Charging Passport in the app at least once before January 1, 2027. 9 winners will be selected, 3 per region: Americas, Asia-Pacific, and EMEA, with some countries excluded for regulatory reasons. 1 in each of 3 categories. Longest continuous streak of unique supercharger locations, where each new site is visited within 24 hours of the previous session's start time. Most unique supercharger sites visited, highest number of distinct locations. Most energy supercharged, highest total in kWh charged at superchargers. A unique site is defined as shown in the Tesla app or vehicle navigation. Repeat visits during a streak are allowed, but do not extend the count. Ties are broken by total energy charged. Ineligible participants include vehicles already receiving free supercharging, commercial use vehicles, taxi, rideshare delivery, Tesla employees and their immediate families, and residents of certain excluded countries. Winners receive free supercharging on the winning vehicle for as long as they own or lease it. This contest is part of Tesla's broader gamification strategy. The safety score has long rewarded safe driving habits with a numerical rating that can influence insurance rates or feature access. The referral program incentivizes owners with credits or free supercharging months for successful referrals. In-app statistics, streaks, and community features further encourage engagement. Older third-party apps even awarded mayor titles for frequenting specific superchargers. By combining digital badges, competitive leaderboards, and high-value rewards, Tesla boosts network utilization, gathers usage data, and fosters deeper owner loyalty. The 2026 free supercharging competition invites enthusiasts to plan epic road trips while turning everyday charging into a rewarding pursuit. With the Passport already proving popular, expect heightened activity across the supercharger network throughout the year. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.